Hi, I'm Sinead, Student Ambassador here at Setanta College, and today I'm at Thurles at our latest practical workshop. It's hard to believe I am 7 months into the course studying to be a personal trainer, and between the online lectures and workshops like today, the time has absolutely flown by. From day one, I've been blown away by the setup. The lectures, level of detail, and the knowledge I've gained is going to stand to me for the rest of my career. The practical workshop days have brought the theory and video content to life. There is great support from the guys here at Setanta College, and I've been lucky to share a class with some brilliant people who I now consider close friends. Learning and studying online has really suited my work and lifestyle. To be honest, there is no way I could have done it otherwise. It was an investment, but one that I know is going to make me a better strength and conditioning coach and trainer. Being active in sport all my life, I know what it means to be able to work with great coaches and how it can transform your life. It's the difference in sticking to a training plan and seeing the benefits, and just breaking a sweat for the sake of it. There's a subtle science in everything we learn, and that gives me huge confidence to be able to go and train clients, players and athletes in the future. If you were considering becoming a trainer, just pick up the phone and arrange to meet or talk to these guys here at Setanta College. You won't regret it.